Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am drawing a cat. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to draw with me. This drawing is of a cute cat. The cat is sitting and looking at you with big eyes. It has soft fur of all over its body. The cat tail is long and covered. Its ears is pointy. The background is plain. You can really see the cat. The artist used simple colors like black, white, and grey. The cat looks calm and happy. You can almost feel how soft it's just by looking. The drawing is small but full of cat feelings. It makes you want to pet the cat. Overall, it's sweet and simple drawing of a loyal cat. Thank you so much you watching my video. If you like my video, then like and share it. Thank you.